Worksport, a U.S.-based manufacturer and innovator of hybrid and clean energy solutions, has announced a fall 2025 commercial launch for its highly anticipated modular nanogrid system, known as Solis and COR. This announcement follows the successful completion of key engineering milestones and validation benchmarks across both systems. The company projects millions in new revenues for 2025 and expects strong commercial traction ahead of launch. The Solis solar tonneau cover and COR portable power system are designed to empower over 60 million pickup trucks in the U.S. with the ability to generate and store power anytime, anywhere. While the Solis tonneau cover targets the pickup truck market, the COR system can serve a wide range of broad global consumer applications, unlocking new lifestyle and recreational verticals. As a result, Worksport's total addressable market is projected to triple, expanding from $4 billion to more than $13 billion. According to Stephen Rossi, Chief Executive Officer of Worksport, the portable energy market is expanding rapidly. After 3 years of focused development, the company is excited to confirm the 2025 launch of Solis and COR, which are transformational platforms that open the door to the North American and global consumer markets, long-term scalability, and a new chapter of innovation for the company. Worksport's COR modular portable power system has successfully passed all internal and third-party laboratory tests, and the company has finalized tooling and received initial production-ready units, which have been submitted for global UL certification. The Solis solar integrated tonneau cover has completed initial beta deployment with real-world customers, demonstrating robust system performance and strong product-market fit. The company anticipates generating new revenue from Solis and COR, representing a high double-digit gross margin vertical distinct from its core tonneau cover business. With both systems advancing toward market launch, management expects these products to scale rapidly, targeting 8-figure annual revenue in the next year and long-term recurring growth in the mobile power and clean energy markets. Solis is a patented, first-of-its-kind solar solution in the U.S. truck accessory sector, and COR is being positioned to directly challenge market leaders in the portable power industry. Worksport believes COR will compete favorably on performance, innovative patented design, and pricing, bolstered by U.S.-based operations and a proprietary modular architecture. The company is finalizing certifications and market preparations and anticipates sharing further updates regarding product availability, retail pricing, and an expanded roadmap for the Solis COR ecosystem. According to Rossi, these aren't just new products, they're strategic platforms for multi-channel expansion, built to solve real-world challenges, designed with mass-market scalability in mind, and protected by a robust IP portfolio. Worksport also recently achieved the prestigious ISO 9001-2015 certification at its U.S. production facility. This milestone strengthens Worksport's manufacturing credentials and is expected to pave new inroads towards substantial new OEM and global supply chain opportunities, supporting the company's multi-year growth trajectory. According to Stephen Rossi, the certification is a catalyst for the company's breakout expansion across domestic and international supply chains. It allows Worksport to actively pursue supply opportunities with top-tier OEMs and national retailers who often require ISO certification as a baseline for collaboration. It enhances credibility with partners and opens new doors, particularly in markets and channels where ISO certification is a prerequisite. This milestone is expected to unlock OEM and enterprise supply opportunities with major auto manufacturers, strengthen Worksport's reputation for premium, American-made products, and drive operational excellence, scalability, and improved long-term gross margin performance. With ISO certification secured, Worksport will begin strategically exploring OEM integrations for its tonneau covers, solar-enabled Solis system, and COR battery units, positioning itself for growth within the global auto manufacturing ecosystem. The company's pipeline of innovative products, including the Solis solar tonneau cover and the COR portable energy system, is advancing toward commercialization and is expected to drive high-margin revenue growth and broaden Worksport's addressable market far beyond traditional automotive accessories. The ISO certification was issued by the globally recognized certification body Bureau Veritas Certification Holding SAS, UK branch, following a rigorous audit. This certification cycle remains valid through April 2028, contingent upon continued compliance. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.